So this is the next morning now, as I said in the video. So, as it's set, let's have a look. No, it hasn't set. It should have been set. Okay, looks like I have to put my hand in. What we got here? Ooh, bit here. Any more bits in here? Not a lot. Bit more there. Bit more there. Yeah. What I have to do now is water. Oh dear. What I have to do now is drain this water out. See what we got. So put it through the sieve. And to get all the bits. Like bits of this stuff here which is broken. Yeah. Oh, hang on. There's another bit down in the bottom. Yeah. Bit dirty, isn't it? It's not white. Together, as it should be. Anyway, yeah. So we'll have to drain this water off, put it through the sieve, and see what bits I can get out, and go from there. Bye.